Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Jackie. Today we're gonna be trying out some new hair extensions. They are from DOORES hair extensions. I'm super excited to try these out. They sent these to me today. Today we're gonna be doing eye tips. They're 22 inches, but I'm gonna be doing them just for volume. So we're gonna be cutting them down a little bit. But yeah, I'm super excited to try this hair out and show you guys how I install them. So if you guys want to see how I install these hair extensions, keep on watching. So today we're going to be trying out the DOORES hair extensions. I want to give them a big shout out for sending me this hair. I really like the quality, and the hair that you get per pack is insane. You get 50 grams, which usually is not the normal. Usually you get like 25, but each pack you come with 50 grams. So I thought that was really nice. When I pulled out this hair, the quality was really thick, really soft. It shined really nicely, and I feel like it was very true to the tone of color that it shows on the swatches online, so that was another plus. And I really love the packaging, and they sent you some cute little lashes with the beads are included, so that's another bonus because you don't have to go out and find some beads. But yeah, I am super excited to install this hair today. So today on our model, we are going to be installing half of one pack, and then we're going to be cutting it down just to give her volume on the sides because her hair is a little bit thinner on the side, and to brightening up her color because although she does have blonde in her hair, the extensions were a little bit blonder, so it was nice. It gave her a little bit more of that contrast and a brighter shade of blonde. And then I'm going to be showing you guys a before, and this is her after. So let's get into the install. Eye tips are one of the most simplest methods that you can install. You literally just need 3 tools, which is your loop tool, your bead, and your eye tip, and actually one more thing, which is the pliers. So for installing these, you're gonna take a piece of the natural hair, and you want it to be about the same size as the eye tip. You're gonna take your loop tool with the bead, and you're gonna slide that bead through the natural hair. Then you're gonna take your eye tip, and then you're gonna put your eye tip through the bead. Once you get it through the bead, you're gonna take your plier and you're gonna close the bead, and you want the eye tip to be just almost peeking out of the bead. You only want to see a little tip at the very top, just to make sure it is not bothering the client's scalp. And then I'm going to show you guys a couple more times how I apply the eye tips. But once again, you take your loop tool with your beads, you take the natural hair, you put the loop tool and get the bead through the natural hair. Then you take your eye tip, you put your eye tip through the bead, and you close with the pliers. I really like this method because there's no glue, there's no hot tools needed. You really just need your bead and your plier, and you go throughout the hair. There's no mess, there's no cleanup. It's very simple, very clean, and very easy. Something else to keep in mind when installing hair extensions, any type of hair extensions, it's always very important to keep 2 finger widths away from the hairline. This is very important so that way you don't cause any damage to the little baby hairs, the fine hairs around the hairline. So you always want to keep 2 finger lengths away from the hairline, and you can start applying within the area. You just want to make sure that the hair that you're applying the hair extensions on is hair that is healthy, that is strong to carry that hair extension. You don't want to apply the extensions to baby fine hair because you might cause some hair loss.
DOORES eye tips, and it's human hair.
Cute. Do you love your hair?
I love it. It's awesome. It's pretty.
So yeah guys, those are the final results for today's model. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to DOORES Hair for reaching out to me and letting me try out their hair. I will be leaving a discount code down below and their link so that you guys can go ahead and order some hair. That is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.